Suno just updated their terms of service on March 26, 2026. And if you've been using the new v5.5 features, especially voice cloning, you may have just signed into a very different legal relationship with your own music and your own voice. Most people see a terms update notification and click agree without thinking twice. But this isn't routine paperwork. This is a structural shift. Suno has essentially built a legal fortress around itself while leaving you, the creator, exposed outside the walls. Whether you're making music for fun or trying to build a career, the ground just shifted. Let's start with the feature everyone is talking about, voice cloning, or what Suno calls voice models. The rule is simple. You can only clone your own voice. No celebrities, no other artists, no characters. That sounds reasonable, until you look at the trade-off. The moment you create a voice model, you grant Suno a license that is worldwide, perpetual, and irrevocable. Here's what that actually means. You are giving Suno a permanent digital version of your vocal identity. They can use it to train their models, they can use it for marketing, and they can even sub-license it to other companies. Even if you delete your account tomorrow, that data doesn't go with you. Your AI vocal twin stays. This is the core exchange. You get convenience and creative speed, and they get long-term rights to your voice. Now here's where it gets deeper. This update isn't just about voice, it's about liability. Even if you're on a Pro or Premier plan, Suno now clearly states that everything is provided as is. No guarantees. That includes no guarantee your song is unique, no guarantee it doesn't infringe on existing music, no guarantee it's even legally protectable. And this is not random. It's a direct response to pressure from major labels like Universal and Warner. Suno has effectively drawn a line. They've told the industry, we've warned our users. If something goes wrong, it's on them. So if your AI-generated track ends up sounding too close to a hit song, and a label comes after you, you are the one carrying that risk. Suno has no obligation to defend you, and it gets even more serious. The updated terms include mandatory arbitration and a class action waiver. That means you've waived your right to a jury trial. You cannot join a class action lawsuit. Any dispute has to go through private arbitration. In simple terms, if something goes wrong, you're on your own. So the real question becomes, how do you protect yourself? You have to stop treating Suno like a vending machine and start treating it like a professional studio. That means building a system. I call this the Smart Creator Workflow. Step 1. Build a proof folder. Every track you plan to use commercially should have proof of your paid plan, invoices or receipts, the exact creation date, your lyrics and prompts, and most importantly, your stems. Do not rely on cloud storage. Keep everything locally. For important releases, go further. Take screenshots of your process, your prompts, your iterations. Create a clear record that shows how the track was made. Step 2. Reduce your risk before release. If a song matters, don't publish the raw Suno output. Take your stems into a DAW, Ableton, Logic, FL Studio, and build on top of it. This is where you add human creative fingerprints, re-record vocals, change the arrangement, adjust the structure, add your own instruments and mixing decisions. The goal is simple. Move the track from AI-generated to human-shaped. Because right now, purely AI-generated content often has weak or no copyright protection. But once you introduce real human authorship, your position becomes much stronger. Step 3. Run a similarity check. This is your early warning system. Use Shazam or tools like Aha Music. If your track matches something existing, you have a problem. Fix it before release, not after. And finally, the most important step, the YouTube private test. Upload your track as unlisted or private. Wait a few hours. If Content ID flags it, you just saved yourself a major issue. Go back, fix the problem, and test again before distributing. This isn't a perfect legal shield, but it's a much smarter, more professional workflow for releasing music in 2026. Because the reality is simple. Suno is protecting Suno. They've secured their data, they've secured their models, and they've built legal protection around their platform. As a creator, you need to do the same. Use the technology. It's powerful, but don't let the convenience make you careless. protect your records, add your own creative input, and verify your work before it goes public. AI music is moving faster than the law can keep up. So stay informed, stay creative, but most importantly, stay in control. If this breakdown helped, subscribe to AI Tunecraft for more. We're going to keep breaking down how to use these tools without losing your rights in the process. See you in the next one.